and permit me to say that it's kind of underutilized, if you ask me. Yeah, left to me, like everywhere should be covered with this element. Well, that's just to say how obsessed I am. Like, I'm so into this particular design element. And hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining in for the first time, my name is Olaomi Audu, and thank you so much for watching me today. If this is your first time, thank you. I'm really honored that you're watching me, and I would like you to keep watching me. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified anytime I drop a content. Trust me, I drop quality stuff that you will learn a lot from. So please go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss it anytime I drop it. And if you're already subscribed to my channel and you've watched me before and you're watching again, oh my god, you're the real deal. Like, you are the real deal. Thank you so much for coming back to watch me. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and I really appreciate you. Okay, so in today's video, I just want to share with you like a top design secret. Yes, it's a secret. Okay, yeah, so it's actually a design element that I have found to be like very effective in designing spaces. It's for good reasons, really, because I feel it's so effective. I feel like it's so transformative in nature. Like, it can literally transform your space. Like, it can transform any space. It can take a space from 0% to 100%. That's how effective this particular design element is. Yes, so honestly, I don't joke with it, and I don't think anybody that is interested in transforming their space should actually joke with it. Permit me to say that if you do not have this element in your space, you are wrong. Okay, no, forgive me, I didn't mean that, but honestly, everybody should embrace this element. Okay, so today I'm actually talking about mirrors. Yes, mirrors. And yeah, why mirrors? Mirrors are so super sweet, as in they can transform any space. Like I said earlier, they can, you know, literally just turn a dull looking room into a bright, airy room. You know, they can make a very small space suddenly look very big and massive. Yeah, why is mirror so beautiful? It's because of, one, the reflective nature of mirrors. Okay, so mirror is able to bounce off things. So if, for instance, there's a natural light coming in, mirror has the ability to bounce off that natural light to give it like a duplicate kind of look. Or you have special features, special designs, you know, mirror has the ability to reflect that particular design, you know, replicate it and just, you know, make it look like twice the size. So you actually open up a space with a mirror. You know, if you just want a space to come alive, just set up a mirror in the place and you just see how it transforms the space. And permit me to say, when I'm talking about mirrors, I'm talking about like really large size, or I really like large size mirrors, because I feel that, you know, of course, they are more effective in the reflective nature, in that the bigger they are, you know, they can actually absorb more, and then of course they can reflect more. So, and you need to be strategic actually in the placing of your mirrors. Okay, so you don't want to set your mirrors, for example, in the living area, you don't set your mirror like where it can only like reflect the ceiling. Nobody's interested in seeing the ceiling, right? So if you strategically set a mirror probably opposite a window, you know, it kind of reflects the natural light from the window. Or if you have a very beautiful landscape outside and you set the mirror just opposite it, you know, it kind of reflects, you know, what's happening outside on the mirror. So you kind of have that kind of feel even inside your room. Even though you're inside, you still kind of have the outside feel inside. Or if you can set it opposite the window, you can just set it like adjacent, you know, the window, or just really close to the window where the light can bounce off it. Another effective or strategic way of placing your mirror is probably in front of like some beautiful design elements. Like you have a very beautiful wall art or a very beautiful sculpture or something really nice, you can duplicate that item by just setting the mirror just directly opposite it, so that, you know, it like reflects that particular image back on the mirror and you have that duplicate feel. And yeah, so the mirror is so beautiful. It can open up your space. You have a small space, set up a mirror. You have a big space, still set up a mirror. Honestly, mirrors are just beautiful. And another beautiful thing about mirrors is that they come in different frames, you know, and sizes and different shapes. So they could also act as a statement piece. So other than just reflecting light, mirrors could also be a statement piece that could help, you know, become a focal point in your space. So if you want to like create a focal area in your living area, you could just set up like a statement mirror, you know, mirror that is very decorated. It has like beautiful framework, you know, around it. So it should just be like a statement piece, you know, when you get into a space. and there are different shapes and sizes. Personally, I would say even if you want to use, the mirror as a statement piece, you want the mirror to be sizable in such a way that it can still have that reflective ability, so it doesn't lose that, while it's still being the statement piece that it is. And then another tip for your bathroom: if you feel your bathroom is too small, why don't you replace that small mirror in your bathroom? Get a bigger one, like a life-size mirror there. Personally, I like horizontal mirrors. Like, I'm not so particular about the vertical ones, but of course it also has this place and it does this thing. That's the vertical mirror. But once you have like the horizontal layout of the mirror, really large and wide, it just really opens up the space. It makes it look airy, it makes it look more spacious. I'm sure you've been to some offices or some restaurants that have like lots of glass, and mirror. The whole effect is for that reflective nature. So you go in there and you assume that it's such a very big office or big shopping mall, but it's not. It's just the mirror that is giving that illusion. You can actually have that illusion in your space. You can actually design your space to have that kind of big and massive feel. Yeah, I think I've seen a design of somebody, putting mirrors up on their ceiling, just to make it look, duplicate the space to really make it look very big. I think that's a very risky venture, setting up mirrors in case it cracks or it breaks. It can cause like a hazard. So even in as much as it's beautiful, it has its own risk and all that. But incorporating mirrors, frame mirrors, in different parts of your house can really brighten up your home and really enhance your space. So try this and then drop a comment in the comment section of how your place got transformed, by setting up the mirror. Trust me, if you do this, your space will change. Like, it will change. And when I say you should go for mirrors, please don't go and buy those small frame mirrors. Look for something really nice, something really big, attractive, that can really, reflect and bring out beauty. And of course, like I said, the opposite end of the mirror should be also an attractive space. So make it really beautiful and attractive, and set a mirror opposite it and see the effect, and then come back and thank me later in the comment section. All right, just wanted to share that little tip for you today. And if you're interested in more design tips and concepts, stay tuned with this channel. Once in a while, I'll just drop in a tip on design that I feel will help transform your space. Or if you really want to transform your home and you're looking for a consulting service, please go ahead and send me an email. I'll drop my email in the link below, and then I'll set one up with you, and then we can talk about how we can transform your space. Once again, thank you so much for watching my video. If you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Please go ahead and like this video, comment on it, share, and like I said again, subscribe. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.